back to my channel. I hope you all are enjoying at your place wherever you are. Be happy, stay safe. So today I'm going to share with you a haul which is a purple sale haul. So I have ordered these things in January only, but due to some emergencies I couldn't make any video. So let's start this video. The very first product which I have ordered is Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner, and I've already used the cucumber one, I've already used the tea tree one, and both were fine on my skin. So this I've ordered just for a change, and it smells great, smells like roses, and the quantity is 120 ml. It's very refreshing, and the MRP was 195 rupees, but I got it in 140 rupees during sale. So this was my first purchase. Next product what I have ordered is a lip balm from Biotic. It is Bioberry Plumping Lip Balm, and this is an Ayurvedic product. You can see the packaging is really cute, and the amount is 12 grams. And let me show you the texture. The color is like strawberry only, and it's very moisturizing on your lips. I have applied it yesterday night, and in the morning my lips was really soft, so I really liked it. And this is dermat tested, so you can trust on the brand. Biotic is also a very nice brand, so you can go for it also. And the MRP was 175 rupees, but I got it in 140 rupees during sale. So this was my second purchase. Next is one serum from the brand Good Vibes. Again, it is Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum, and it comes like, it came with a different cap and with this dropper. I have already placed this dropper on this bottle because I have used it. So let me show you the consistency of this. This is a serum kind, and it is really radiant one. When you apply it, it gives you a radiant glow. You can see the glow, and absorbs really well. Your face feels like very smooth, and smells also like rose hip. So this is my third purchase. And if you'll buy few products from Good Vibes, like 3 or 4 products, you will get some either gift or something like extra discount. So if you want, you can check it out also. Next product is one micellar water from Garnier, the very trending and really a needed one. So I've ordered this from Garnier micellar cleansing water, and the best thing is it is dermat tested, and you will get 125 ml for 60 uses, and it also does what it says. Your makeup will be removed not in one swipe, but definitely in 2 or 3 swipes. And the MRP was 175 rupees, yeah, and I have paid 175 only, but the cherry on the top was I got one free BB cream from the brand Garnier only. So this was also nice. I didn't know that what shade I'll get, so I have already ordered one CC cream with this. It costed me, the both product costed me 175 rupees only. And I have ordered one CC cream also from Lakme 925. This chotu sa cute sa, and it was in the shade 01 beige. So I didn't know that I'll get that, what shade I'll get that in that packaging. So I have ordered in my shade, and it is great for my skin. I will show you the consistency. It blends really well, means you can't find that you have put on your face something. So this is, for my skin it is best, and I have paid 105 rupees for this. So, and this is very chotu, but it will goes for around 1 to 2 months. This goes well because you cannot wear foundation every day. So for that I have bought this, and I'll use that also. Next is one body lotion that is from Vaseline Intensive Care. So I have already a bigger one in this, but that has been finished. So I have ordered this. This is best for winters. You can see it is bit sticky. I have taken more product, so it is bit sticky, but for winters it is great and smell great. Very nice. And the MRP is 89 rupees, but I got it in 79 rupees. So this was my next purchase. Next, I have ordered one lip gloss that is from Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine. And this is in the shade Pink Shine. It is kind of pink plus peachy color. You can see the shade, and this is also very nice, and it says that it stays up to 6 hours, not 6 hours, but it goes for 3 to 4 hours very well, and it shines on your lips very well. It is not that much peachy, it is not that much pink, in between color. So I really like this, but the only problem is this, that it is bit sticky, means it is like chip kind of thing. So if you can bear that, this is nice. And the price, the original price was 500 rupees, but I got it in 330 rupees during sale. Once again I'm mentioning. The next product is one essential oil. I have ordered this for my DIYs, and it is from Alps Goodness Orange Essential Oil, and it is 10 ml in quantity, and the MRP is 125 rupees, but I got it in 109 rupees. So this is my next purchase. Alps Goodness is also a very good brand in your budget, like Good Vibes and Purple One. Next, I have ordered one nail polish remover from NY Bay. And I would suggest that if you want to buy any nail polish or nail polish remover, go for a branded one. Branded one doesn't mean that go and buy 500 wala nail polish or 500 wala nail polish remover. No, not like that. This is of only 40 rupees. The price was 49 rupees, but I got it in 40 rupees, and it goes for two months maximum. So this is also very nice one. So always use, because you will see the effect if you will apply this or local wala this nail polish remover. So you will find a difference definitely. So go for this or Lakme one, or any one, Colorbar one. There are lots of options. The next product is very trendy, very classy. The packaging, you can see the very classy, very shiny. I really like the packaging of Good Vibes, like for any packs and face packs and this scrub. The packaging is really nice. So it is Good Vibes Brazilian Volcanic Red Clay Oil Control Face Scrub. And this has been recommended by one of my friends. She's currently using that and she loves it. So she told me to use that. So I thought I should also give a try. So this is like in red clay color and very thick one. I have not used it yet, so I'll use and give you a review on this also. And the quantity is, how much is this? 50 grams. So it's nice enough, because you have to scrub your face maximum twice in a week. So this is nice. And the price, the MRP is 285 rupees, but I got it in 205 rupees during sale. This one is a disappointment. I don't know what has happened. I got this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline New York, the nudes. Though I like Maybelline products a lot, I always recommend that for beginners also, for experienced also. But this is like, if you see this product, when I opened it, it has already been mixed up all here and there, but that is fine if the product is good. But I don't know, it's like a chalk. If you apply on your eyes, it doesn't stays for a long time, not even for an hour. And you will see the consistency. I'll show you the consistency. It's like very chalky type of things. This is the golden one. I can't say it golden, I don't know. And this is the peach one, and you'll see, you'll feel like, see here, can you see that? Even I can't see that I have put here. So I didn't like it at all. But though I have opened it, so I can't return this palette. So I'll use for like normal, for an hour function or for daily uses, because I have to use this. I don't want to invest, sorry, I don't want to waste my money. So the palette price was 900, original MRP was 900 something rupees, but I got it in 684 rupees. I think I have wasted. Maybelline products are very nice, but this product I don't know what has happened. The next product is one eyelash curler. So this was from the brand Giorgio Professional Eyelash Curler, and the price was 299 rupees. The MRP was 399 rupees, and I wanted to buy any eyelash curler. I wanted to see the difference. So it made difference. Before applying mascara, if you will do this, the mascara is going to look great. So this was the next one. I've already mentioned the price. This is the next purchase. Last but not the least is one foundation brush, and this is from the brand Paco Milano Powder Foundation Brush, and the bristles are very soft. You are not going to regret it if you buying this, and if you're getting the real product, definitely. And it's very soft, and you will clearly see the difference if you use your foundation from this brush and with your local brush or any other brand brush. You will see the difference. I'm not saying that other brands are bad or something. Maybe you can find a good one also from this, but I find it very nice. Bristles are very soft, and my foundation mixes very well. I will use it for my blush and all. So this was the next purchase. The price is on higher side. The product MRP was 599 rupees, but I got it in 509 rupees during sale. Completely worth. If you can afford, if you want to invest your money in one brush for blush, for your foundation, for your contouring, go for it if you can afford it. Otherwise, there are lots of options. You can choose any of them, but this is very nice. I completely love this. So this is my last purchase. So thanks for this, Paco Milano. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you want to purchase anything from these products, I will give you the link in my description box. Please check it out, and I'm not going to say this again and again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know you're going to do that. So till then, bye bye. Love you all.